Hey Marcos, this is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm just going to briefly go over some things you could do with your website here, get it updated, start making it work better for you, bringing in more leads for you. So we'll get started. I've got your website up here. You've got your name right up here. If you've got a logo, get that added in there, make it a little bit more personalized. I know this is powered by Google, so they kind of have a little bit of a generic layout. You can definitely make it, you want a website that's a little bit more personalized, got your little touch to it. I like your call now. Click to call right up here at the top. Call to action, that's great. Looks like you on the job here. We've got some more gallery pictures, some testimonials and reviews, which is great. Then as we come down, and we've got your business's contact information down here at the bottom, that's great as well. But what Google really cares about is the content on this homepage. They want to see you sitting at about a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark of quality command content. Now, in addition to that content, they want to see buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout it. One of those buyer intent keywords could be something like house painters Tucson, which currently isn't on your website at all. So we want to get that sprinkled within the content, because when people are searching through Google for your services, Google's going to send crawlers through your website to read that content. And when you have those phrases and keywords that match what people are searching for, Google's going to start to bring your website up higher because it knows that you can help them. Now, the other thing that you can do here really quick is these images, before you upload them to the website, save these as buyer intent keywords. This right now is just saved as unnamed. Save it as house painters Tucson or something like that, because Google, the crawlers for Google will also read those as well. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is a backlink. And a backlink is just a shout out from another website. It lets Google know that your website is trustworthy and relevant. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are other free tools out there. So what we're going to look at here is the UR and DR rating. The UR is your trust rating with Google. The DR is your power rating with Google. Yours are going to be a little off because your website is currently powered by Google, so it's pulling these from Google. It's not really a direct reflection on your website at all, so it's not really helping your particular website just because you don't have any backlinks and you don't have any organic keywords. So what we're going to look at is one of the top competitors, Ivan's Painting. I put them into Ahrefs as well. So you can see their trust rating is 20, their power rating is 0, so we want these to be much higher and we want these numbers to be much closer. Now, these are directly influenced from the backlinks. The backlinks just come from these referring domains. So they've got over 400 backlinks. This is just letting us know that these backlinks aren't as trustworthy, relevant, or as powerful as they need to be. They're not serving as great a purpose for them as they could be, because not all backlinks are created equal. Now, the other thing that we're going to check out here is these organic keywords. And so as you can see, we've got things like house painters Tucson has about 200 people per month searching for it. Painting Tucson has about 80 people per month searching for it. Interior painting has about 60 people per month searching for it. House painting has about 50. So we want to make sure that you're getting these buyer intent keywords added to your website, because these are people that are searching for your services. So it's the service you offer and the place that you offer it in. And so as we can see, you currently don't have any. Now, the importance of having that content and those keywords and these trustworthy and relevant and powerful backlinks is it's going to start to rank you organically with Google, which is going to increase that organic traffic, which is going to start to result in more leads, more clients for you, more money coming in for your business. Now, when we talk about ranking organically, we mean in this area right down here. And you want to be in this first, second, or third position. Now, the last area that we're going to touch on here is right here. So this is the local map pack or Google My Business heavily trafficked area. So how we get ranking here is by having our Google business profile. Here's yours. So we want to make sure it's filled out properly. It's got your business's name, address, phone number, hours, reviews. You definitely want to make sure you're asking your clients for reviews and getting those added on there. You want to make sure you've got really good pictures on there from jobs that you've been doing and completing, making sure they're geotagged properly and saved with the correct alt text prior to uploading. As we come further down, we want to make sure that our description is bigger than this. You want to have about 700 to 750 words of quality content here, and again, sprinkle those buyer intent keywords within it. And the last thing for your Google business ranking is to have citations. So a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. The directories just include things like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, etc. And so what I would do if I was in your shoes is I would find all of the directories that my top competitors are listed in. I would get myself added to those exact same ones, and then I go above and beyond. If they're in 150, I'm going to get myself into 200, 250, maybe even 300, really blow them out of the water. So that's going to get you ranking in this first, second, or third position up here. And then increasing the content, keywords, and backlinks on your website is going to start getting you ranking in that first, second, and third position down here. All right, Marcos, that's all I've got for you. I hope that this was helpful. I really look forward to your feedback. Thanks.